In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install QGIS on a Windows 11 computer, quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for QGIS. Then, click on the official QGIS website. It should be the first result, qgis.org. On the home page, click the Download Now button. Click on Skip It and go to Download. You'll now see two versions available, the long-term release and the latest release. The long-term release is more stable, while the latest has the newest features. I'm going to download the latest version. Click on the Download the latest version. The installer will now begin downloading. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. The setup wizard will appear. Click Next, accept the license agreement, then click Next again. Choose your installation location, or leave it as the default, and click Next. Now click Install and wait for the process to finish. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. You'll now see a QGIS folder on your desktop or in your Start menu, with shortcuts to launch QGIS and its related tools. And that's it, you've successfully installed QGIS on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.